Mount Rushmore National Memorial is a famous American landmark located in the Black Hills of South Dakota, USA. It features the massive carved faces of 4 U.S. presidents sculpted into the granite mountainside. Here's some key information about Mount Rushmore. 1. Presidents. The faces carved into the mountain are those of George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Theodore Roosevelt. These presidents were chosen to represent different aspects of American history, such as the founding of the nation, expansion, preservation of the Union, and the development of modern America. 2. Sculptor. The sculpture was designed and executed by Gutzon Borglum, who began work on it in 1927. Borglum's son, Lincoln Borglum, continued the project after his father's death. 3. Construction. The carving process involved the use of dynamite to remove large sections of rock, followed by finer sculpting using jackhammers, drills, and other tools. The faces were completed over a span of about 14 years, with the final carving finished in 1941. For symbolism, Mount Rushmore was intended to be a symbol of American ideals and a tribute to the nation's history and leaders. Each president's selection had specific symbolic significance related to their contributions. 5. National Memorial. Mount Rushmore was designated as a national memorial in 1925, and it is managed by the National Park Service. It attracts millions of visitors annually. 6. Visitor experience. Visitors to Mount Rushmore can explore a visitor center with exhibits about the memorial's history and construction, as well as a museum showcasing artifacts related to the sculptors and the carving process. 7. Symbol of America. Mount Rushmore is considered an iconic representation of American identity and history. It is often depicted in popular culture and is a symbol of national pride. 8. Controversy and criticism. The carving of Mount Rushmore was not without controversy. Some critics argue that it was built on land sacred to Native American tribes, specifically the Lakota Sioux, and thus holds a complex historical and cultural significance. 9. Light illumination. Mount Rushmore is illuminated at night, providing a different perspective of the sculpture against the dark backdrop. 10. Contributions of workers. The construction of Mount Rushmore involved the efforts of hundreds of workers who faced dangerous conditions during the carving process. Their contributions are an essential part of the memorial's history. Mount Rushmore stands as a monumental tribute to American history and leadership, encapsulating the values and aspirations of the United States. It continues to be an iconic destination for both Americans and visitors from around the world, offering a glimpse into the nation's past and the individuals who helped shape it.